So hey guys, this is Rajat back here with another unboxing video, and today I have with me this RDP Thinbook laptop. This is a very basic laptop which is currently sold on Amazon and Flipkart, and this is by the brand RDP. So let's open this box, which is very nicely packed and it's hard to open it. So finally we have the extra box that laptop comes in. So it is a 14-inch laptop. That's how the packaging looks like, and the MRP is 13 to 14,000 and it keeps fluctuating. I will write the price that is currently being sold. This is actually a review unit I got from RDP and it will be sent back to them. So that's all on the box, Wi-Fi, Windows 10 and all, and it's powered by an Intel processor. Very basic, nothing that powerful. So let's open that seal up. So this is the first thing you get, that is the laptop itself, and it's actually lightweight, not that heavy as I thought. The user manual, quick start guide that we get, you can read it, it's colorful and nicely printed. Then we get a cleaning cloth, you can use that to clean the screen or stuff like that. And this here is the power brick, very small, kind of a mobile charger we get, so that's a nice thing. And nothing this side, so that's all you get from the box. So let's have a look at the laptop now. So it's having this matte finish, metallic matte finish on top with RDP branding. Let's keep the box aside for the time being. So this is the laptop. It's having a USB port this side, a micro SD card slot, and USB 3 on the other side, I think at the front or the back. It's having this wedge kind of style like a MacBook. So that's the display. It's actually having really thin bezels, and that's the chiclet keyboard. So I will set this up. So I guess that's pretty much it guys for this quick unboxing, and I'm sorry for this short video. I will be thoroughly reviewing this laptop. If you want me to cover anything regarding this laptop, do let me know, I will cover that up. So that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video.